For the 1-6 practice quiz, you should know how to do all 13 of these problems. Starting with the first one, I know that there's a horizontal shift based off of the outline seen here. We're adding some terms, so this should go to the left 1 unit and down 2 units, so horizontal and vertical. If we take this blue line, we move this over 1, down 2, closest option for that is going to be here. And we're done. Next one's a vertical shift by 3 units. As we see here on the outline, we're adding 3. So it's as if we're taking this blue line, bumping that up 3 units, move on. This is gonna have a term on the outside, so we're stretching this vertically by 3, so this needs to move up 3 times as quick. So originally 1, 1 would have to be amplified 3 times. 0, 0 stays the same, so we're looking for something that's just moving a bit higher up. So if we pull these out, this one's moving up 3 times as much, so this one should be good. X squared was featured in the first, or the second, or the third video, so we need to graph this out and denote where it's shifting. So main thing to start is that x squared moves like a parabola. Since this is going up 5 units, start here, go there. So main thing is that the vertex is up 5 units based off of this term here. How's my time so far, Carrie? It's good? All right, good talk. I'm already on problem 5. So. We see here that there's the negative term on the outside, and this is a horizontal shift 3 units. So good rule of thumb, move this over 3 units, so that's where your vertex is. You're then reflecting this over the x-axis. Again, it's all based off of how inside here it's 3 units, but we're flipping over the x-axis. The outline's really helpful for this, so keep that on hand. Inside parentheses, we're adding 2. So in reality, we want to move this over 2 units. Then we also want to bump this up 6. I wonder if I can get the holiday music in this through the microphone. Be pretty cool. We see that outside parentheses, we have 1/5, which is in between 0 and 1. So this is a compress vertically by 1/5. This is also a horizontal shift to the right 3 units. So we're shifting this over 3 units, and it's a vertical stretch of 1/3. Sorry, 1/5. Got that. Check it, we're good. 2 is outside parentheses, so this is a stretch, moving this over 3 units to the left and then up -4. So it always has you, no, let's delete that. So we're moving this over 3 units, but then we're also going down 4. So in one take, we're over 3 units, we're going down 4. This is then amplified twice as much. This is going to the right 3 units and then down 2, and then also flipped over. Wrong one. We now are cubing this, but it's just going over horizontally 4 units to the left. So we're getting x cubed now. This moves over 4 units to the left. So horizontal shift is over 4 units. And that's really it. Only 11, yeah, 11 done so far. Pretty good. We know this is negative outside, so this needs to go over the x-axis for sure, and we're also shifting this to the left 5 units. So we're shifting this over the x-axis, horizontal shift is to the left 5 units. Horizontal shift to the right 7 units and up 5. Four is outside parentheses, so this is going to be a stretch vertically by 4. We'll hold off on that until the end, though. We know that there's a horizontal shift to positive 3, vertical shift of 2, vertical stretch of 4. Good. It's all done. Ideally, you should know how to do all 13, even if there's only 5 on the quiz.